Hello and welcome to this Redstore video where we're going to cover direct restores back to Office 365 Teams. So to start off, let's open up a browser and connect to cloud.pro.redstore.com. This is the Redstore backup engine in the sky. So I'm going to log in with my credentials provided by Redstore. And now that we've logged in, over on the left hand side you'll see I've got email, OneDrive, SharePoint and also Teams configured for backup. And I can see my last backup protected 8.1 gig and the last backup was on the 29th of June. So in terms of recoveries, over here on the right hand side we have a recover button. So I'm going to click on recover and you'll see I have two options. I can either restore back to Office 365 Teams in the cloud, or I can also use Redstore Instant Data. We'll look at Instant Data in the next video. So in this case, I want to restore back to a deleted Teams channel directly back to Office 365. So I'm going to choose that option. As you can see, there are a number of different team channels that I can restore. I can also perform a search. And if I wanted to restore this entire Teams channel, I can quite simply click here, see that the size of it is 594 meg, and I can pick and choose any date and time in the last 4 months that I'd like to recover it to. However, in this case, I want to drill down into some particular items. So over here on the right hand side, there's a view option. So if I choose view, I can now choose any of the different historical dates and times. I can see the various channels and discussions that have been going on in Teams. I can then look at the messages, and in this case there's a PowerPoint document that I want to recover back into that Teams channel because it had previously been deleted. So all I now need to do is choose the PowerPoint discussion and click recover. Before I can continue, I'll need to confirm that I have privileges within Office 365 to perform this restore, so I need to put in my Global Administration Tenant Agreement for Office 365. You can now see that the restore has now been queued and being performed. And now that that account has been restored successfully, I may now open up my Office 365, in this case choose Teams, and if I choose the channel in which I've just performed the restore, right at the top here you'll see I've got my posts, files, wikis, and now a folder's been created with the correct restore date and time of the restore I've just performed. So if I now click on that, I can then see what the content was about with regards to that post, which is my PowerPoint presentation, and I'm also able to go into the files and now find that the PowerPoint presentation that was placed in that channel has now been restored. Thanks ever so much for watching this Teams restore to Office 365.